Reckon you're gonna be par with me and you can be mad out there. Don't try to study me.
Do I really have to get up this morning? I wish I didn't have to, but guess what? I have to. It's my day off today. And Romain, of course, has studio and some business to attend to on the road. And I'm going to be home with the girls. What do I have planned today? Of course, I go and bathe them, comb their hair, feed them. And then when they go down for their afternoon nap, I might just do a little mini facial. Some skincare thing. I'm not sure yet. If Romain gets back early enough, I could maybe go on the road, you know. I doubt he'll get back here in time. I really need to go for a spade. This is interesting and a very unlikely sight to see in the kitchen. What is going on?
I make some melanade. Want some?
Melanade?
Yeah.
Is that something you made up?
No, I feel like I'm the first somebody can hit that. But it's simple, it's just something to open my appetite in the morning.
So you want to open your appetite when you go on the road? Especially if you go studio?
Yeah, make you sing better when you're hungry.
Wow!
Really? Nobody ever tell you that? You never hear that before?
I know say you don't eat before you go on stage. Or close to when you go on stage. I know that.
Yeah.
You always try to keep an empty stomach.
When you're hungry, you know the studio, to me, you know nobody else. But to me, you make you sing better. So,
you have one pimple and I go squeeze for you later when I come here.
You love me too much, man.
That's so for me.
Good, man. You have to love me so much, like, you know.
Alright, preparation is too much. Was nobody cut up inside of the container?
Because the melon itself, yo, one tree, man. But yeah, it's simple. All you do is just add a little lime, squeeze a little lime in that.
Nice, nice.
And it becomes a melanade. You get where the name I come from now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Some melon and lime. I get it. So you put sugar and something in there?
No, it's all natural. I'm not to say something simple. I'm gonna keep me just, you know, rub up a little lime to get a squeezed in. I'm blend it up and drink it, that's it. Where's the board?
Oh, the cutting board?
Mm-hmm.
You need a cutting board for that, babe?
For rub up the lime, yeah.
Yeah, go mess up the place. Indeed, cutting board. For rub the lime and cut the lime. Watch this, guys. What's the purpose of rubbing it?
It can get juicy.
Yes, you need a cutting board with that, this?
Yeah, come on, rub the lime by yourself.
Why?
Please.
And then me rub it.
Can you explain all of that too?
Yes, because one know the method to the madness, you know. Look on all the knife, guys.
I'm holding the knife. But I'm not holding the knife. You know what I noticed there?
What? We try to intimidate it?
You know, you just always try to find like a fault or something. If you scan around me. What you come here for? Why you wake up? Yeah, you know what? Enjoy your
yeah.
They have a little bit more. Go on back of your bed. Alright, and that's it. Simple as that. You know, just cuss up.
Alright.
I got now. You want to taste it?
If I want to taste it. Should I, guys?
I'll give some help to small glass.
Should I taste it? You don't think?
It's not a lot, but
what you're in?
I can see
half the cup. I'm not really feeling anything at the moment because I had a mango just now. I don't want any more.
Hey. You want to taste it first?
Oh boy.
Yeah. Oh yes.
You must have eat melon. It tastes too much like melon for me.
And the melon? You got to eat melon, no, thank you.
I don't eat melon, but I drink melon juice and eat like melon flavored stuff. I was nice to me. Maybe too natural.
You love too much sweet.
Well, my first, you make me taste something on me right away. You know, you don't feel defeated.
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Just remember when I eat melon.
Yeah, good man. In a few hours from now, like after I'm done studio, I'm gonna deal with food. Like at the first receipt.
I say it good?
Yeah. Oh, I feel like I do because of like a lime juice in it.
Okay.
Do something to my stomach. Yeah.
Yeah. I hope you have a wonderful day on the road.
I shall.
Alright.
So, another day on the road. Today we actually have 2 studio sessions. First, we'll link up Nico. Get some very important things out the way, you know. We've been working on so much. And there's so much to come. Be tired to say. By the way, the song Stronger, you are the first ones to see that music video for Stronger. Can't believe the song is over 400k views already, you know. Yeah, it's a very, very nice evening. You know, I remember the night that we introduced this song to you, and to see where it's at right now, it's overwhelming. It's a beautiful feeling, man. And big up Virgo Nation. Thank you for the support. You know, thank you for the love. You know, and in all of this, my hope is that you and everybody else out there that you introduce to this song, you know, will eventually get the message. In a time like this, when, you know, things just sometimes seem like it get harder and harder, you know, stronger is what we want to be. So my hope is that everybody really and truly get this message. You know, we'll continue to push this message. So Virgo Nation, for the last couple of times that I've been coming to the studio up by Nico, I enjoy it more and more. One of the reasons for that is because I come early mornings. Now early mornings, you know, well, today is not as early as the last 2 times, but early mornings come with much reward. One of them is big cup of coffee. Wow. You know, just to warm up the structure a little bit before we kick things off. But you know, sometimes you don't want to look too bad like I that you come for, even though yeah, it's a part of where you come for. Boy, God bless the brownies. Yeah man, but I can show now my style now. My style nowadays is to beg and a beg. Want to know if you do that? I'll teach you now how to beg and a beg. There's a specific way that to do that. I'm gonna see if it can happen again today. Hold on, let me call you. Another day in a champion studio.
Good job.
Studio. Yeah.
Good job.
I like some music.
Yeah.
Boy. Listen.
You ever feel like your stomach weak?
We're gonna try to find some new ways and strategies. Oh, we're coming that one day.
You know I eat the food before you sing it in the morning. Yeah. But you know, yeah, sometimes your stomach does feel weak. You know what I mean?
Yeah, Yeah, but I like that one.
You think?
I'm going with a new strategy this week. I went to last week again. I don't think last week, 2 days ago. So you know it would be nice. Something warm in there, man. I'm on it.
Hey, recognition. I'm telling you, there's a specific way, you know, but you can't do the same thing every time. So each time you come, you have to find a way. But there are specific ways. And if you get what you want when you come here, you can't really eat a bag of food. Well, for me, sorry, I should have said it before. For me, I sing better on an empty stomach. You know, I know for some people, you know, them belly have a full and, you know, I saw them feel energy. But for me, especially with songs where I have a whole heap of feeling and emotions in it, if my belly too full, nah, I go work out. Sometimes I just, as I said this morning, a nice cup of melonade, and then after that, all I need is just a little something warm. Just eat like a 5-10 minutes, drink a little something warm, and then good to go. After that now, shell down the whole place. Oh, we see the pimple is at that, but you know, are your fault, please. This is your fault.
A few moments later.
Yes, sir. You can rest it right there.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I don't have any bread pudding this morning, but the coffee will do.
That's fine. That's
Yes,
fine. That's
alright.
fine. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, no problem.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Stomach. What is that? Stomach?
I wish I tell him something.
Stomach. But for sure, stomach is gonna be stronger than before, you know?
Okay guys, so the girls are done for their afternoon nap. The day became a little bit overwhelming because I bathed both girls and combed their hair and fed them before I put them down. So now I'm gonna quickly do a little mini facial. I'm gonna cleanse my face with my Curology cleanser and my turmeric and lime mask that I got from Earth Elements. Yeah. Let's go.
So we're there upon Riddles Road, you know.
But you know what upon Riddles Road, right? Tell me what upon Riddles Road. Hungry. What upon Riddles Road?
No carry upon Riddles Road, man. Yeah, you can say I get breast, yeah?
I say breast is best.
Leg and tie.
I can't fry.
Hi!
A few moments later.
This don't look good, you know? It look like, say, more use the bathroom. We stop around gas station, you know, and it look like the people, no one land with the key. Right now, I see them having my walk up and down all over the place. Brother, me members of country, me come from in a Virgo nation.
Yes, sir, it's all yours, sir.
I will not go me and say no man, if you don't get key no man, members of country, me come from in a brother. I mean, let you go in the bed, man.
No, I can't. I wasn't gonna do that, brother. I can't do that. No.
I joke, man. Yeah, we get through, but places like Europe, Virgo nation is like the standard. Is a thing where like when you go, you have to pay.
Yeah, man.
You have to pay. So nobody feel like you can go up on the road without money in your pocket. And feel like you want to use the bathroom and you can just use it.
You have to drop some coin in something.
Yeah.
Before you can get in.
Exactly. So it's still a blessing, you know. Knowing so boy we can that Jamaica feel like you want to use the bathroom. Camera and still. Feel like you want to use the bathroom and just go borrow the key. Even if you not buy gas, even if you not buy nothing, you still get through. That's a big plus.
Good things we take for granted, you know?
Telling you, man. I'm telling you.
So one stripe for Jamaica, one stripe.
Ding.
One more.
So George chicken pan ready this road.
I want to say, man up one right now, no come hungry.
And then we are go up the hill.
Yeah?
Next studio session.
Yeah.
Now waste the time. When Liz have days off like this, just make use of time, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh gosh.
Whereas with curfew, don't forget it out the way.
Use one bird, kill two stone.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that, people, but
Enough time we kill stone with bird, man.
it's a stepney thing.
Yeah, man.
That's not necessary.
Some stone can fly now. But they're not tougher than a bird, them may fling.
Okay.
Oh, my son.
Okay.
Okay. Organization of a pirate man, you can mad out there. Don't try to study me.
Don't draw me in here.
What go on? Bless me, general. Yeah. No, me, no. Alright, we so soon. We soon. Because the road is going to look a bit rough going up this hill.
And the service soon drop.
The
So
service.
it got cut off.
Yeah. And it's. Which service we are use? Which service we are use? I'm going to make the video cut off. Channel star. See, they start shaking.
Right,
See, that get shaky.
Yeah, man, it's a far than up here. Right as we reach a big bend. See,
Jesus.
you know? When I hear it?
You know that?
So guys, a while ago remain called and interrupted my video. So as I was saying, I need to go and hook up my phone postpaid. If Romain gets back from the studio in time, I'm gonna do just that. But I was thinking, especially based on the comment section under the last video, a lot of people were making suggestions about which plan I should get and the different rates that I can get with the different networks, whether digital or flow. Somebody was saying, I think $1,700 would get me unlimited data and service. Unlimited data, unlimited calls to other networks, or was it a certain amount of minutes? I really don't remember, so don't quote me on that, but I think I'm gonna put it out there for you guys to decide for me. Which network should I hook up my phone postpaid with? Should I do Digi? Should I do Flow? And tell me which one I will get more value for money for. Talk to me, guys, because I'm trying to go the cheaper route. I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes and then wash it off, and then you're gonna see magic. A few moments later. I'm gonna wash off my face, guys.
A few moments later.
Ta-da! Talk it truth. Girl, I look cool and all these things. I'm gonna put on my moisturizer now. Yeah. And we should be all set. Face feel nice, is it? Look at your girl. Feel nice. So I'm gonna just rest a little bit until the girls wake up.
Yo, just a come up at the hill now. Yeah, hungry a killer.
Yeah, once more. What's happening? There's a roast bread food there.
You sell them?
No.
Sell them, I sell them. But yeah, man, it was a good day still, man, I lie. You know, it's 1.5 song. But then you truck too long, take it out that way. You block up the road. Yeah, truly.
Kingston to pack up, man. Jesus.
Yeah. Yes, I imagine now, I come home and I go up there now.
Wow.
Look on the traffic. Now we jumping now.
I was hoping to keep you with us a little longer, but to get late and Romain is not yet back from the studio. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your continued support. Thank you for coming on this journey with us, Virgo Nation. Check if you're already subscribed. If you have not already done so, please hit that subscribe button. Copy the links to our videos, post them everywhere, share them on WhatsApp, share them on Facebook, share them on Instagram. Encourage your friends and families to join the movement. And let us just continue to have fun together. Like the videos, your comments encourage us to continue. Hit post notifications so that whenever we post a new video, you'll be notified. And I guess this one, it's safe to say this one is to be continued because Romain is not yet back from the studio. I was hoping that when he gets back, if any little niceness go on, could I just switch on the camera and just include Virgo Nation and the niceness, but just one of them things there. So I'll see you guys in our next video. Blessings.